Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream spray. To begin, you'll need a specialized whipped cream dispenser, often called a siphon, which is essential for achieving that perfect spray. Make sure your dispenser is thoroughly clean and all its components are correctly put together before you start. You'll also want to have your ingredients ready: heavy cream, a bit of powdered sugar for sweetness, and any flavoring extract you prefer, like vanilla. This setup ensures a smooth and delicious process from the very beginning. Now let's prepare our delicious cream mixture. Start with 1 pint, which is approximately 473 milliliters, of very cold, heavy cream. For sweetness, add about 2 to 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar, adjusting to your taste. Then, incorporate 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or any other flavoring you love. Gently pour this mixture into your whipped cream dispenser, being careful not to overfill it. Aim for no more than 2/3 full to allow for gas expansion. With your cream mixture inside, it's time to charge the dispenser. First, securely attach the small charger holder to the dispenser head. Next, carefully insert 1 8-gram nitrous oxide, or N2O, cartridge into the holder. Screw the holder on tightly until you hear the distinct sound of the gas being released into the cream. Once charged, shake the dispenser vigorously for about 10 to 15 seconds. This ensures the N2O fully incorporates into the cream, creating that light, airy texture. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for: dispensing your perfect whipped cream. Simply invert the dispenser and press the lever to release the fluffy cream. You can try different nozzles to create various decorative patterns for your desserts. When you're done, store the charged dispenser in the refrigerator, where it will keep fresh for up to 10 days. Remember to release any remaining pressure before disassembling and thoroughly cleaning all parts to maintain hygiene and ensure longevity of your dispenser.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.